here's the birds. The birds are out here with the sun coming out. We had rain today. We got about 1/2 of an inch. And I just let the birds out of their coop to come out, and they're all finding bugs and enjoying the wet grass. Matilda's over here. There she is. Gotta keep an eye on her, make sure she stays home. When she goes to lay an egg, she tries to leave, which I Googled it, and it's, I guess, their instinct to go away and lay their egg in a safe place and then come back. So funny. So I have to really keep an eye on her. She was gone one time, and our neighbors brought her. So keep an eye on her. And then Thomas Jake's over here. There he is. Thomas Jake. Oh, pretty. They're stretching their wings after being in the coop all day. There's Sweet Pea. Here's Lulu over here. Hi, Oliver. I see you, Oliver. Here's Oliver. Hi, Oliver. Hi. Here's Sweet Pea. Hi, Sweet Pea. I bet you're glad the sun came out after all that rain. It was cold today and rainy. Oh, Oliver. Yeah. Lulu's busy eating over there. Oh, hi, Thomas Jake. Yes, hi. Hi there. Oh my goodness. Hello, Peeper. There's Matilda. She's real busy. She's just everywhere. She's the most active of all of them. Thomas Jake. Matilda. Oh, and let's go look at the garden. The garden really greened up after the rain. I was so excited to see it. It seems like the rain is special water. It just turned so green. It's doing really good. I had to replant it recently, and it's all coming in. Got our curly kale and Swiss chard. Lots of romaine lettuce and celery in the back there. Lots of celery coming, and the kale is coming back. So I'm very excited about this. It'll make for some nice big salads, and the animals love it too. So good for them. They eat so well. And my rosemary right here, it's doing good. I put it in a pot so it wouldn't get lost in the garden. Hi, Gabby. There's Gabby. Hi. How are you? She's my friendly chicken. That's why I called her Gabby, because she's always telling me all about it. Huh, Gabby? Yeah. She's so friendly. Let's see what the chickens are doing over here now. There's Isabella. I think they're finding stuff after the rain. Did you find some bugs? Hmm? Yeah, pretty girl. This garden's doing well over here too. I don't have too many things in here. I gotta plant some more. Get it going again. And then this one is doing pretty good too. that sun feels so good. It was a real cold, gloomy day. So now the sun is out. We're enjoying that. Feels so nice. Warming us up. Here's the donkey girls. Hi, babies. My sweet pea. My Lulu. Everybody's happy. All is well. Chickens over there. Getting the greens. I'm busy right here, digging away, finding good things to eat. Yeah. Pretty girls. Little Peeper over here. She laid a real pretty blue egg today. Americana. Hello, Peeper. Hello, Peeper. Pretty girl. Everything looks so green after the rain. Where did the turkeys go? Let's see. There's Matilda. Here's Thomas Jake. Look at that face. I just love their faces. Turkeys are so cool. Hi, Thomas Jake. You're so curious. Hi. What you doing? Hi, Thomas. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Hi there. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're very pretty, Thomas. You're a good boy. Yeah, hi. Hi there. Beautiful. Yes. Boy, look at you. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. It will really help us out. Trying to keep it going. Thank you. Bye for now.